Hey man, you want to hear a joke? Yeah, sure, what is it? What do you call a selfish organism that cuts down our home for his own needs? I don't know. What is it? A human!
Wow, this is awesome! How can humans destroy this? We all need to preserve the rainforest. Just look at this. It harbors 43 species of ants. That's more than how many ants the British Isles harbors. Wow! Or this pond. It has a bigger variety of fish than all of Europe's ponds put. It's a shame how we destroy all of this. And 80% of this deforestation is caused by cattle. I have an idea. When I'm back at home in the United States, I'll join an organization to help sustain the rainforest. And you can do it too if you call 1-800-SUSTAIN-THE-RAINFOREST. Welcome to Evening Fox 4 News with AJ a Day. This just in, according to the New York Botanical Gardens, they assess that over a 50-year period, 2.471 acres of land in Mashana, Peru will be better processed and developed more efficiently if processed with harvesting and natural resources, as opposed to cattle ranching and or timber production, which we don't like. And speaking of cattle ranching, here's a breaking news report from Annika.
Yesterday, on May 19th, the United States Department of Agriculture started inspecting US-bound cattle south of Agua Prieta, Mexico. The Douglas Agua Prieta cattle crossing inspection area is located approximately 1 mile west of Douglas on the international line. By federal law, they are not allowed to cross into the Mexican side from the cattle crossing area. This restriction has brought the cattle commerce in Douglas and surrounding area to halt during its prime season, Barber stated in a letter to Secretary of Agriculture Tom Vilsack. Thank you for listening and good night.
Now this flower over here, it's one of the many species of indigenous rainforest that should be sustained. So here we are in Borneo. A 25-acre plot of Borneo can sustain more than 700 acres of trees. You see the 700 acres of trees right here? Oh, crikey! A crocodile right there! Okay. Now here we are, in this little lake. We have to be quiet because all the bugs are sleeping and working. Now we observe these ants as they work. This is why we can't cut down these places, because they work. Here we have a mosquito, or as they call down in Texas, a skeeter. This mosquito nestles its...
Guys, look! There's an indigenous person! She looks so happy to see me!
Warum? Guck, ich hab schon so eine komische Krankheit von denen.
Just look at this tree. It harbors 43 different species of ants. That's more than that's more than 43 different species of...
Wait, where am I right now?
Okay, no, you're good. Welcome to Fox 4 News, Evening News with AJ a Day and Annika Schneider. So this just in, according to the New York